Well, hi and welcome to another EdTech Hint with me, Mr. Shelton. So I'm going to show you about Spiral.ac. Spiral.ac, I think it's a fantastic little program, which again is absolutely free to use. And it's going to stop one of those really awkward situations when you ask a question to the class and someone shouts the answer out and then you don't hear anything from anyone else. Because this is a really good way of getting feedback from pupils and asking questions and you seeing what they've written without them seeing what each other has written as well. So the website is Spiral.ac, Spiral.ac, and as usual I'm going to show you it as a teacher and as a pupil. Now you need to register for this one as a teacher, not as a pupil, but as a teacher you do. So I'm already signed in, so I'm not going to sign in again, but do go through that process. And then all that you do is when you're on that page of the main website, you hit the home button. And there are sort of 5 big options. Each of these actually has a walkthrough tutorial themselves if you wanted to. But I just want to show you the Quickfire Lite function, which is just genius, to be honest. So what you do is you hit that. Now you can preset classes. You don't have to put pupils' names in. They do that themselves, which always makes life quite easy. But the advantage is that if you set a class up, then they get a code that they can use for that class every single lesson as well. So let's set a class name up for the moment. We're going to call it 9S, and then we're going to select a subject. Makes no difference which subject you select, but I'm going to go for RE. So I've gone for 9S and then click save. Let me just show that again. So what I've done is I've pressed the home key. I've ended up on this site. I click on launch Quickfire Lite. That's what I'm going to be doing, and then I'm going to be adding a class. So I'm going to call that 9S and I'm going to select religious education and click save. And what then happens is it generates a code for me. So I'm going to click go to go into that class, and there is my special code for this class. So I'm now going to flick to pupil view so you can see. So what you say to the pupils is what I need you to do is I need you to go to this website, Spiral.ac, and then I need you to join using a code. So the pupils simply click on join using a code and they put in the code that you shared with them, click enter, and then it will ask them for their name. So I'm going to call, for the sake of it, because I'm calling it Cody, I don't teach any coders, that's why I'm using that name. And here you can see some pending quickfire questions. So I'm going to go for that one, and that should hopefully be the only one they see. It's because I've used this for a different version, and you can see here the pupil's not able to type anything, but there is a prompt for them to pay attention to the teacher. So I'm back in teacher mode. I'm talking to the pupils here. I can see Cody's signed in successfully, and I'm now going to ask a question about what is your favorite color. I'm going to click go, and as soon as I clicked go, Cody can now type in his box. So he's going to type blue and click submit, and that has now gone through to teacher. Now all the answers are hidden. I can click reveal answers and I can then see very quickly, and I can turn names on, who has said what. And the next time I want to ask another question, I'll click ask another question. Cody's screen is now unable to answer anything. It's been prompted to listen. I then say, okay, so class, what's 2 plus 2? Click go. Back on Cody's screen, we can see the box is free, so he can type in 4. He clicks submit. That's gone through to teacher. Teacher's got hidden answers. I can reveal the answers. I can see that. Now I can also click correct on that, so every time that any other pupils typed in 4, that would actually mark that on their screen as well. And there I've got all the information that I need with a very straightforward system called Spiral.ac. Give it a go, might really help you.